The following message is being transmitted by order of the National Weather Service. Several weather tracking stations have reported the presence of very large thunderstorm cells approaching the southern coast of Massachusetts at 3 p.m. This warning is for the counties of Bristol, Plymouth, Barnstable, Dukes, and Nantucket. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing ping-pong ball-size hail and damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 6 miles north of Woods Hole or 30 miles east of Nantucket and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. If you are in the path of this storm, take shelter in a sturdy building and stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging wind, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Very heavy rain is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. As a safety precaution, all residents are advised to have a battery-powered radio with them in the event of a power outage, to continue to receive important news and information, and should be prepared to seek a shelter or evacuate at any time. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to participate in the emergency alert system. This is WBZ. We will continue to serve the Boston area. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a law enforcement emergency message. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Governor of the State of Massachusetts and the Massachusetts State Police. At approximately 7:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a report was issued to the State Police and the Governor's office about a severe disturbance taking place at the Bridgewater State Hospital. At 5:17 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a power outage occurred along much of the South Shore and Plymouth County. A transformer explosion was reported inside of one of the main structures of the hospital, and at 6:01 p.m., it was confirmed that a breach of the hospital had occurred, and several patients from the facility have escaped. As many as 12 patients from the maximum security wing have escaped, and are currently at large in the community. The Governor and the State Police have advised all residents of Plymouth, Bristol, and Norfolk counties to return to their homes immediately. They are advising all residents to lock their doors and windows and to remain indoors until civil authorities have given an all-clear alert. State police are also urging residents to not pick up hitchhikers or give any strangers a ride. These people are considered very dangerous. No names of the patients have been released at this time. Stay tuned to this station for information as it becomes available. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the Massachusetts State Police to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will stay on the air providing news and information to assigned areas. This is WBZ. We will continue to serve the Boston and metropolitan area. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a local area emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Governor of the State of Massachusetts and the Massachusetts State Police. Here is an update on the situation involving the escapees from Bridgewater State Hospital. State police and members of the local authorities have closed access to all roads within a 15-mile radius of the hospital. Members of the State Police along with members of the Department of Corrections, the Department of Mental Health, and the Plymouth County Sheriff's Department have begun a statewide manhunt for the 12 patients that have escaped from the Bridgewater State Hospital earlier this evening. At this time, only one report of a sighting has come into the police. They have not yet confirmed the validity of this report. If you have any information on this situation, please contact the Massachusetts State Police at 617-555-2435. We have just learned that state and local law enforcement authorities have made the discovery of 2 bodies inside of a home less than 2 miles from the facility. It appears that the home was broken into, and the occupants were killed. No further information on this incident is available at this time. All residents are advised to take caution and to lock all doors and windows inside of your home. If you are currently out on the road, please do not pick up any strangers in your car. Stay tuned to this station for information as it becomes available. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the Massachusetts State Police to participate in the emergency alert system. This is WBZ. We will continue to serve the Boston and metropolitan area. We interrupt our regular programming. This is a local area emergency. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Governor of the State of Massachusetts and the Massachusetts State Police. Police and local authorities have succeeded in apprehending 9 of the patients that have escaped the Bridgewater State Hospital earlier this evening. One of the patients was involved in a shootout with police and is responsible for the killing of 2 officers. Currently, 3 patients remain at large in the South Shore at this time. The names of the patients have been revealed to the police and media. They are Monica Roberts, age 29, David Spencer, age 42, and Wayne Becker, age 39. Becker is believed to be responsible for the slaying of the 2 family members at East Bridgewater earlier this evening. Becker was sent to Bridgewater State Hospital in 2009, and is serving his sentence there for the gruesome murders of 6 members of his family. He stands 6 feet, 2 inches tall, and weighs 225 pounds. He is of medium build, with spiked blonde hair, and an earring in his left ear. He also has a pronounced scar on his right cheek. David Spencer stands 6 feet, 1 inch tall, and weighs 245 pounds. He has long brown hair with a receded hairline. He has flame tattoos on the back and sides of his neck. Monica Roberts stands 5 feet, 3 inches tall, and weighs 102 pounds. She has short blonde hair, and has pronounced scarring on her neck and shoulders. If you spot any of these people, please call your local law enforcement authority immediately. Do not approach these people. All residents are reminded to take caution and to lock all doors and windows inside of your home. We interrupt our scheduled programming to bring you this law enforcement emergency message. This message has been authorized by the Governor of the State of Massachusetts and the Massachusetts State Police. Local authorities have just confirmed that the 3 remaining escapees from the Bridgewater State Hospital have killed 4 people at a mobile gas station on Route 18, not more than 3 miles from the hospital. It appears that the group has stolen a car and have fled the scene. State and local officials are asking all residents to be on the lookout for a silver and black 2005 model Mazda Tribute SUV. If you see this vehicle in your area, contact your local police department or law enforcement agency immediately. State police and local authorities have set up roadblocks on all major roads in a 15-mile radius and are advising all residents to keep away from this area. The state police are advising all residents of Plymouth, Bristol, and Norfolk counties to be on alert that the authorities will be conducting house-to-house searches for the 3 escaped patients. If you have any further information on this situation, please contact the state police or your local law enforcement authority. Please remember that all residents are advised to return to their homes and to make sure that all doors and windows are secured. The Governor will be speaking on all channels shortly. Please stand by for this message. You are tuned to WBZ. Please stay tuned for any further updates. The station has interrupted its programming at the request of the governor to participate in the emergency alert system. The following message is being transmitted by order of the Massachusetts State Police. About 25 minutes ago, a house-to-house search was conducted in the area of the Bridgewater State College. Police and local law enforcement spotted the gray and black Mazda SUV parked in the driveway of one of the residences. The drivers of the vehicle then evaded the police and attempted to leave the city via Route 27. The Mazda SUV attempted to run the roadblock, but was stopped by law enforcement and its occupants were killed. Police confirmed that two of the occupants were identified as Monica Roberts and David Spencer, both escapees of the Bridgewater State Hospital. The third passenger's name has not been disclosed, but it appears that the third person may have been a hostage. It is unknown where Wayne Becker is at this time. He is assumed to be at large, and presumed armed and dangerous. Law enforcement will remain on high alert until Wayne Becker is apprehended. Until that time, the police roadblocks will remain in effect, and all residents are asked to keep indoors until advised by civil authorities. Please keep tuned to this station for more news and updates. This is WBZ. We will continue to serve the Boston metropolitan area. This station is participating in the emergency alert system.